Woodsoft Plugin, the bridge between SketchUp and CNC production. From 3D modeling to machining data, everything is done within one seamless, closed-loop workflow. It helps engineers save time, reduce errors, and maximize production efficiency. The plugin is fully integrated into the SketchUp interface. Familiar, intuitive, and easy to use. No need for extra software or complicated setup. All operations are performed directly inside SketchUp. Each component in the model contains complete technical information, including quantity, grain direction, material, reference edge, and machining orientation. The system automatically updates and synchronizes data, ensuring consistency between design and manufacturing outputs. Woodsoft also detects duplicate parts, identifies size inconsistencies, and intelligently groups similar details. At the same time, it automatically marks reference edges, ensuring the correct machining direction. For 5-sided and 6-sided CNC operations, this guarantees precision, stability, and consistency throughout the production process. With just one click, engineers can perform nesting directly inside SketchUp. The system automatically analyzes and arranges parts, optimizes grain direction, and displays the cutting layout right on the 3D model. Clear, accurate, and easy to understand. In addition, the Woodsoft plugin can read design data from other common SketchUp modeling plugins, helping shorten modeling time and ensuring seamless data continuity from design to production. Engineers can preview results, check layouts, board utilization ratios, and processing progress visually and precisely. Once completed, all output files are clearly organized by material and product groups, including CNC files, label files, Excel summaries, and DXF drawings, ready to send directly to the factory. The Woodsoft plugin empowers engineers to manage the entire process, from design to machining, faster, smoother, and more efficiently than ever before. Woodsoft plugin. Automated, accurate, seamless.